Hello, I'm Lisa Hennessy with KnitPrayShare.com, and I'm going to teach you how to use the pom-pom maker. I have a tutorial on how to make a pom-pom with a fork, but that only makes a little bitty pom-pom, and in Texas, everything is bigger. So, giant pom-poms, great to put on the top of a hat. So you can get this at your local craft store, online you can buy them, but this is so easy. You just pull these things out, and you wrap your yarn. You wrap it, and you wrap it, and you wrap it, and you wrap it. You're going to wrap it until it's really big and thick, but not too thick that you can't close this. So you'll see what I mean. See, it still goes down pretty loose, and I want mine really fluffy, so I'm going to keep going. Okay, that's probably pretty good. Then you just bring it over here to the other side and start wrapping that around. Got to be careful that both sides are down. It doesn't get twisted. And I'm just pushing it down with my finger. Both sides are pretty even, which I think they probably are. I'm gonna look. Yep, those are pretty even. Take your scissors, cut it. You're gonna cut a pretty big piece because you have to pull through here. And then, I don't know if you can see right here, this line. It's down the middle. You're just going to cut. Can you see right there? That's the line that I'm cutting down. So you need sharp scissors because this is really thick. And then continue on the second side, do the same thing. Now I've cut all the way through. Looks like this piece right here got hooked. Just gonna cut that right there. Then you take your yarn that you cut and you're gonna put it through that line that you just cut through. Bring it all the way around. And if you've missed any pieces, you will not be able to thread this through and you'll have to clip them. And you just take it and tie it. Make sure it's down the middle. Pull it tight, not too tight so that it breaks. And then knot it. Then you just pull up your blue sides here. Here's side 1. And here's side 2. And again, if you have missed any pieces, it will not come off that you didn't cut. Then you take this middle section and it pulls apart. And then it pulls back together so you can make another pom-pom. Fold it, and there you have your nice, wow, look at that's even bigger than the other one because I used a different yarn, number 1. Look how nice and fluffy that is. That's gonna, and then you just trim it like those little pieces that are poking out. Just trim it like you want it. So you've got your nice, big, fluffy, easy pom-pom that you can use with your pom-pom maker.